Dear international students, this is the continuation of these immigration rules pertaining to students. So, short term students' English language. Although I have made another video, but if you have missed, so listen it very carefully. That these days there was a big voice that short term students are uh, these visas are English visas or ESOL visas are very easy. So it might be some students might have got from high risk countries. So that's why for applications made on or after 9 April 2025, the short term student English language route will include a genuineness test as part of an application. Under this route, applicants will be subject for further requirements, and they will have to satisfy caseworker that they are only seeking entry to the UK to study the course, and that they have been accepted on to that, and they will not study anything other than that course. They must not study at an academy or state funded school. They must leave the UK within 30 days of the end of their English language course or at the end of 11 months, whichever so is sooner. This is an existing rule that is being relocated to the rest of this test in rules. So they will not make the UK their home country. They will not work in the UK. They will not engage in a business or professional activities in the UK. They will have relied on funds are genuinely available to them for the purposes of undertaking a study and have been accepted on that course. So, there are already considerations for caseworkers to the test of genuineness of applicants included in Home Office caseworker guidance. So, this is a very important change being brought to short term student visas, that is, English language programs. Then, new references to nominated guardian and changes to care requirements for a child student. So, there are two kinds of visas for UK. One is called child student, and then there is adult. That is, you say student route. So, a definition for and reference to the term nominated guardian will be added to the appendix child on 29th May 2025 for applications made on or after that date. The date is 29 May 2025. So, nominated guardians were previously not accounted for in the immigration rules but will now be added and be required to provide a letter of undertaking. Previously, it was very simple, but now undertaking is important. This is similar to the current requirement for close relative and private foster carers. So, this is another addition. The addition of the above term interacts with the changes made to the appendix, adding a new overarching care requirement for a child student and new grounds for caseworkers to refuse applications where there are concerns around safeguarding or criminality. So this is very important addition. So group school trips to the UK from schools in France. So now from 2nd April 2025, those whose age is 18 are under, who are studying at a school of educational institution in France, registered with the French Ministry of Education, who are seeking to enter the UK is a part of school party of 5 or more pupils organized by that school or institution will no longer be required to obtain an electronic visa authorization prior to entry to the UK. So this is another change. I hope that there is a little bit change to administrative review as well, that an applicant cannot make an administrative review application outside the UK when they are challenging the refusal of an application for permission to stay, which is an immigration application made from within the UK. Then an application for an administrative review will be invalidated if an immigration application is made while the administrative review application is pending. So once administrative review application is being looked after, being considered, or is pending, so you cannot go for another administrative review. So I hope that these changes, although these are very tough changes, but of course immigration UK or UKVI, time to time they are changing a lot of immigration rules even for students. Thank you very much.